Hi, guys, and welcome to week 4. I'm kind of laughing already because I just got halfway through this video and my recorder crashed. So, hooray, technology. Okay, week 4 is a little bit different. We are writing our Inform Explain paper this week, and because of that, there are actual deadlines. It's not everything due on Saturday at midnight. It's not like that this week. You have actual deadlines. This is to make sure you don't wait until 11 p.m. on Saturday to do all of your work and write an entire paper. Okay, so if you actually follow the schedule I've set out today, it should be a very easy week for you, to be honest. Okay, before we jump into that, I do have a new joke of the week. Da-da-da-da-da. What do you call a happy cowboy? A Jolly Rancher. That one's pretty goofy, but I like it a lot. Okay, let's jump in. So, any day this week, you have another email assignment. I'm really enjoying those a lot because normally in class, I would see you. I'd be like, hey, what's up? How's it going? What'd you do this week? What'd you do last weekend? Etc. And this is kind of taking place of that. So, not only is it nice to hear from you just in general, but I love that kind of back and forth communication. I can ask questions, get to know you a little bit better. So I have 5 brand new questions for you to answer and email to me this week. Also, we have the second week of Google Meets, individual Google Meets. If you already did your Google Meet with me, you're good. You don't need a second one. This is just for the people who have not done it yet. So you will see on that assignment a link to this individual Google meeting. So those are the people who are done already. You can see that there's a ton of space, open spaces for those of you who have not yet signed up. So please do that. That gives me a lot more peace knowing that like you're doing well. I can see you. And even if you don't want to do a Google Meet, we can do a phone call. If you don't want to have your webcam on, you don't have to. It's whatever you want to do. I don't mind. I just like hearing from you and checking in. Okay. That being said, Monday, there is an introductions and conclusions Nearpod assignment. It's pretty quick. It's just a reminder of different types of intros and conclusions you can use, and we do a little bit of analysis of some examples. And you're going to write the introduction to your paper. So the deadline for that is Tuesday night. You have to have that in by Tuesday night. Again, I don't want you leaving everything to the very end of the week, right? Okay, if you do RTI, if that shows up for you, then you have the subject verb agreement RTI assignment. This one is just like any other. It's due Saturday at midnight, so that's okay. All right, Tuesday, I have a Nearpod that explains how to quote properly, including how to do it with the correct punctuation, how to introduce your quote, how to explain your quote. Very good stuff. Then you also have an assignment called the Beowulf Quote Planner Assignment. This is where you are finding the 3 quotes you'll use in your paper, because yes, you do need quotes. You're writing down the line numbers, you're writing down the explanation for why you're using it, what point you're using it for. It's just a kind of almost an outline type of assignment. That one is due Wednesday night. Wednesday night. On Wednesday, you are completing the formal, informal language assignment. That's a really, really quick one, and I think it's kind of fun. There's a little secret in that assignment for you that you can find out. And then there's a material as well about the 3 levels of transitions. So if you are in my standard class, I expect at least level 2 transitions out of you. If you're in my honors class, I'm expecting level 3 transitions out of you. So just so you know. Then you're going to spend Wednesday writing your entire rough draft. That is due Thursday at midnight. You have to have an entire 5-paragraph rough draft essay submitted. Yes, okay. And as long as you complete that, that's basically, if you have all 5 paragraphs, if you have the right number of sentences, if you have quotes in there, if you followed what I said, you're going to get 50 out of 50 on that assignment. That's literally just me making sure, okay, you've written something. Good job. Thursday, you have a revision reflection assignment. So it's not just write the rough draft and we're done. After that, you're going to read through your rough draft and follow that revision reflection assignment, because we're trying to make this the best possible paper it can be. Because next trimester, when you're in English 12B, you're doing your portfolio. And this is a piece that is necessary for your portfolio. So if you do it really well this trimester, then you have to do much less work next trimester. So keep that in mind. Friday, you're supposed to revise your essay. And remember, this is not you wrote the rough draft and then you copy and paste the rough draft and put it in as your final draft. That will score you very low in your points. So make sure you do actually revise it. You actually change things in it. I'm going to be trying to add comments in there to be like, hey, maybe do this instead. Maybe don't do that, etc. And then if you do have RTI, that should be complete the RTI assignment quiz. Okay, like I said, remember doing well on this essay is important, so you have less work to do next trimester in 12B. Kind of works out best for everybody if we put our best foot forward now when we have the energy, right? Yeah, so that's all we're doing this week. We're just writing a paper, and then the next week we're starting a new unit with new literature, which I'm very excited about. Okay, don't hesitate to contact me with questions. Please make sure you get that email assignment done. Make sure you sign up with your Google Meet with me. I love to hear from you. It gives me life. But yeah, okay, I hope you guys have a great week. Let me know if you need help with your paper. See you later.